Friends, welcome to Aliman online class for 12th mathematics. Now see problem example 12.1. Examine the binary operation of the following operation on respective sets. Binary operation or closure property of the following operation on a respective sets. Okay, first question. A star B is equal to A plus 3AB minus 5B square. Here AB for every A comma B belongs to Z. Z means set of all integers. Here the star operator define A star B is equal to this. Okay. Now which is these terms are belongs to Z or not? If these terms are belongs to Z, star operator is binary. It is not belongs to Z, the star operator is not binary. Okay. Now see solution. We know that the set of all integer addition, subtraction, multiplication or binary operation on Z. See previous class table. Okay. Okay. Let given here A comma B belongs to Z. Since A comma B belongs to Z, so product, that means this operator. Here product of AB is also integer. Okay, and then 3 belongs to Z. So multiple of 3AB is also integer. Okay, next B square. B square means B into B. This here also multiplication. So it is also integer. Okay, next minus 5 belongs to Z. Okay, minus 5 into B square is what? Minus 5B square is also integer, which is belongs to integers. Okay. All the elements are integers. So sum of these elements 3AB A plus 3AB minus 5B square belongs to what? Integer, because addition is also integers. Okay. This term is what? A star B. A star B is belongs to Z. Okay. Star is a binary on Z. So very simple problem. Okay. Next second subdivision. A star B. Here star operator is defined is equal to A minus 1 by B minus 1. For all A comma B belongs to Q. Q means set of all rational number. Set of all rational number. Now see solution. Let A star B is equal to A minus B by B minus 1. For every A comma B belongs to Q. Is a quotient form. It's the quotient form. Okay. So now here we discuss two cases. B minus 1 equal to 0. B is equal to 1. B equal to 1 means this term is not defined. Okay. Other than 1, B is not equal to 1, this term is defined. A minus 1 by B minus 1 is defined when B is not equal to minus 1. B equal to 1, this term is not defined. It is clear. Okay. If B equal to 1, 1 means belongs to Q. Every integer is a rational number. Okay. Clearly, A minus B by B minus 1 is not defined on Q. Because if you substitute here 1, denominator is 0, so is undefined. Next. So A star B, this term is not belongs to Q. So this term A star B, this operator does not belongs to Q. So star is not a binary on Q. Star is not a binary on Q. Okay. If B is not equal to 1, clearly A minus 1 by B minus 1 is defined on except, that means set of all real number except 1. That means Q such that except the value, set value 1. Okay, Q slash set value 1. So this is defined. So A star B is belongs to Q slash set value 1. So this set only, this star operator is binary. So therefore star is a binary on Q slash set value 1. That means set of all integer except 1. Then only this star operator is binary. That's the problem, students. It's a very easy one. Now see exercise 12.1. Exercise 12.1. First question. Determine whether star is a binary operation on the given set below. So same model. First subdivision. A star B is equal to A into modulus of B on R. R means set of all real number, that is the star operator. Okay, solution. Let take A comma B belongs to R. So A comma B belongs to R. Okay, so we know that modulus of B is equal to minus B if B is smaller than 0. B if B is greater than 0. Okay, modulus of B is equal to the set value minus B if B is less than or equal to 0. B if B greater than 0. Okay, in this case, since modulus of B is always real number. Okay, product of real number into real number is also real number. So A into modulus of B is also real number. So that is the term A into modulus of B. This is equal to what? A star B. A star B belongs to what? Real number. So star is a binary operation on R. Star is a binary operation on R. Set of all real number. This definition star is a binary operation. Okay. Next second subdivision. A star B. Here A star B is equal to what? Minimum of A comma B on the set value A is equal to the set brace 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, star operator is defined minimum of order pair A comma B, minimum of this value A comma B. This operator star is binary or not. Okay, solution. A star B is equal to minimum of A comma B on A equal to set value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now draw a table star operator. Give the values, set values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 otherwise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 otherwise. Okay, now star operator 1 star 1 which is minimum 1 comma 1 is minimum. Next 1 star 2 which one is minimum 1 star 3 1 star 4 minimum 1 star 5 minimum 1. Okay, same manner 2 comma 1 that means which one is minimum 1 2 comma 2 both are, that means 2 is minimum. 2 comma 3 is 2 2 comma 4 2 2 comma 5 2 3 comma 1 1 3 comma 2 2 3 comma 3 3 3 comma 4 3 3 comma 5 3 4 comma 1 1 4 comma 2 2 4 comma 3 3 4 comma 4 4 4 comma 5 4. Okay, 5 comma 1 which is minimum 1 5 comma 2 which one is minimum 2 5 comma 3 3 minimum 5 comma 4 4 minimum 5 comma 5 5 minimum. So from the table these are elements, these are all star operators elements, star operator elements. Okay, these elements are belongs to the set A. So from the table it is clear that for every A comma B take the any values belongs to A star B is belongs to A. If you take A comma B belongs to in this set, then after that the star operator values are this also belongs to A. So star is a binary on R. Star is a binary on R, which is a very easy one problem, students.